lot of people are accidentally confusing investing with trading, so let's talk about the difference. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Estefania, your personal finance big sister. Trading is generally about trying to make money for shorter term changes in price. So figuring out what to buy, and when to sell becomes really important. And trading can be complicated. You need to understand and research what you're buying, and even then, predicting what an individual stock or the market is going to do in the short term is really hard. A lot of people lose money trying to do it. And if you're just buying and selling based on a hunch or because someone online told you a stock is about to take off, that starts looking a lot more like gambling than investing. And I don't know about you, but that's not what I'm about. But here's where I think people get the two confused. Long-term investing does not mean you don't need to understand what you're investing in. You absolutely should. The difference is that you're choosing investments based on your goals and your timeline instead of trying to predict short-term price movements. Personally, I choose to invest long-term in low-cost diversified index funds. I understand what I'm investing in and why, but I'm not trying to figure out what the market is going to do tomorrow, next month, or even next year. My timeline is decades. That's why I invest consistently instead of waiting for the perfect time to buy, and I'm not constantly trying to figure out the perfect time to sell either. So a trader might be asking, is now a good time to buy the stock? How high do I think it'll go? When should I sell? While a long-term investor might be asking, what am I investing for? Is this diversified? Does it fit my timeline? How much can I consistently invest? Both require you to understand what you're putting your money into. The difference is the strategy. If you're investing for the long term, the goal isn't to perfectly time your way in and out of the market. It's to have a strategy you understand and can stick with for years.